of the most popular varieties of microgreens to grow. Sometimes people call them microgreens, sometimes they call them pea shoots, but this is what they look like when they're done. These are about 10 days old from start to finish, which is part of the appeal because they grow so fast. They're also really sweet and they taste a little bit like a snap pea. And so let's go through the process of growing peas from start to finish and see how easy it can be to grow them. The only pea seed that I plant is speckled peas. I've tried a couple other varieties and they just haven't worked as well because they tended to get moldy. I use 1 cup of seed for every tray that I plant. So in this case I'm planting 4 trays, so I need 4 cups of peas. Next I take the seed over to the sink and I put about twice as much water in as I have seed because the peas will at least double in size overnight. Those 4 cups of seed soaked overnight, so now let's plant the 4 trays. The peas have been stacked for a couple days and they're starting to push the trays over, so they're ready to uncover now. And here we have 10-day-old peas, all ready to be harvested. I hope you liked this quick look at growing peas. See you next time, and keep growing tiny plants.